Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enter code in Crunchyroll. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now we are in the home section. In this section, we're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're gonna find all of the saved animes or the saved episodes. You can find right here the watch list, Crunchy list, history, and lastly offline if you are a premium member. You can go to browse, and from here you're gonna find a list that includes all of the animes. You can also browse by anime genre and also by music. If you go to simulcast, you're gonna find some simulcast season animes right here. And lastly, if you go to accounts, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. So basically guys, in order to enter a code in Crunchyroll, all you need to do guys is go ahead and click on redeem promo code. You're gonna find this right here under change password. Once you click on redeem promo code, they're gonna take you to Play Store or App Store depending on which phone you have. And then all you need to do guys is enter the code right here, or you can also scan it with your camera. Once you enter the code, go ahead and click on redeem, and then you will be able to redeem your code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.